I have several spigots on my house. I have well water, so some of the spigots have straight well water and some of the spigots have softened water. Since I've purchased the house, I've had a hard time getting hoses on and off because the threads get all crusty and corroded. I normally use a wire brush or a wire wheel to clean them, but it doesn't seem to work very well. I found this thread cleaner online, and I'll leave a link in the description, and it works really well. Not only does it clean the threads, but if the threads are getting out of shape or they've been damaged in some way, this will fix the threads. All you need to do is attach it to a 3/8 ratchet and you can repair all your hose bibs. Just start the thread cleaner by hand. Screw it on until you hit a tight spot. Then use the ratchet to finish. And I'll repeat this step a time or two just to make sure I get all the crud off. Now it's easy. And now you can see it threads on really easy. Now there's no problem getting that on. If you have snake hoses like mine, make sure you relieve the pressure before you unscrew it. These snake hoses, once you turn the water off, will actually squeeze water out of the hose for an extra 30 seconds to a minute. The threads on this hose bib are so caked up with stuff, I have to use the pliers to take the hose off of the hose bib. It's even hard to get this thing started. Make sure you get it on there the right way, because you don't want to cross thread. This one we had a lot of trouble with getting on. It's the oldest one on the house, I think. There we go. You can't even hardly thread it with your hands. You can just hear all the gunk. This is difficult through the whole thing, so this is definitely going to help. Now I can hear all the comments coming from this one hose bib. Back it off a little bit. Look at that thing moving around. You don't even have it attached to the building. A lot of it's scale from the well water. You need to caulk that thing. You're gonna have bugs getting in your house. You need to put a new hose bib on there. That thing will freeze up in the wintertime. I'm definitely gonna do this one a couple of times to get all the crud off. There we go. Oh, that's going to work really well. Straighten those right up. There's a lot of crud in there. Now this works really well. I don't have to use a pair of pliers. To put this on. Now I'm going to use this on all my hose fittings. It works on the plastic hose reel as well. Now I'll do my hose ends. I'm also going to do the fitting on my laundry tub faucet. Until next time, thanks for watching.